In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut in Capcut. Welcome everyone. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just getting your feet wet, Capcut offers a user-friendly interface that's perfect for making clean, precise edits quickly and easily. To get started, you'll first need to open Capcut and create a brand new project. This is the first step in setting up your workspace and preparing to make your edits. Once your project is ready, it's time to import the video you want to work on. Simply add your video to your empty project, and you're ready to move on to the timeline. Now that your video is in the timeline, tap on the clip which you intend to cut. This action will activate the clip and display various editing options. As you tap it, you'll notice a playhead, which is a vertical line that moves along your timeline. This playhead indicates your current position in the video. It's essential for ensuring your cuts are made precisely where you want them. Let's move the playhead to the exact point in the video where you'd like to make your cut. This process might require you to play through the clip and scrutinize the frames to ensure that you select the perfect moment to split your video. Precision is key here, particularly if you're trying to align clips seamlessly or remove unnecessary sections. Once you've zeroed in on the right spot, it's time to execute the cut. Tap on the split option. Doing so will divide your video into two separate clips right at the playhead's position. This straightforward action is incredibly powerful, enabling you to manipulate these newly created clips independently. You might want to remove unwanted sections, shuffle clips around, or even insert new content between them. Remember, each time you tap split, you're enhancing your video's flow by cutting away distractions and focusing on the story you want to tell. Throughout this process, reviewing the edited content is crucial. Play back the section you've just edited to ensure the cut is seamless. If something seems off, you can drag the edges of your clips to fine-tune their start and end points. This flexibility guarantees that you maintain creative control over the pacing and structure of your work. In conclusion, mastering cuts in Capcut is a fantastic skill that will aid you in crafting polished videos with ease. Practice splitting and rearranging clips, and soon these functions will become second nature. Thanks for joining me today in this step-by-step guide, and I hope you found it insightful and practical. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.